Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Leticia, aka TCB, and I am here with a get ready with me. First, I am going to work on my eyebrows. I'm using a Milani eyebrow thingy. I'll leave it down below in the description box. Now I am taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I'm going to clean it up. Okay, I'm using a primer to prime my face. Now I'm just taking that same concealer to be a base for my eyeshadow. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going in with the light brown shade in my crease. This is going to be my transition color. Okay, I'm using the lighter color to highlight under my eyebrows. Now I'm using that orangey brown color to go in my crease. Okay, I'm using the dark brown just to deepen it up, smoke it out a little bit. And we're just gonna blend. Hey, I was jamming, getting ready, turn up. Now I'm using a concealer and I am going to not necessarily cut a crease, but I'm just gonna mute out my lid. Okay, and I'm just using the gold shade. I don't have the palette in front of me, but I will leave the colors in the description box below. Okay, I'm gonna wet my brush with my setting spray, and I'm gonna go in with that gold shade to be a base, and I'm gonna use a NYX pigment. And I'm just gonna blend that in. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the pigment. I did put a little eyelash glue down on my brush, and I'm just going in and I'm tapping that onto my lid. This is also a good highlight color as well. Okay, so off camera, I went ahead and I put on some false lashes. This is from a local lady that is here in Texas. The boutique is called Shopland Lashes, and the lash is named Sasha. So I'm just color correcting with LA color, and now I am putting on my Becca foundation. And this is my first time using the Born This Way concealer, and I love it. This was actually my first time trying it out, so I was a little nervous because I wasn't sure how it was going to come out. So I'm just putting a little LA Girl on top of that just to give it a little highlight effect. And it is my birthday, so, you know, gotta be a little extra. Okay, I'm taking my banana powder and I'm going to set that. Clean my hands off. Now I am taking my LA Girl concealer again. It's a darker shade and I am contouring. Okay, now I'm just going to sweep it off. Now I'm going to use my Fit Me pressed powder to just set my face. Now I'm just lining my lower lash line with a black pencil, and I really haven't done this in a while, but I love it. You remind me of how I used to. So I'm just taking that brown shade that I used on my outer corners of my eyes, and I'm just smoking out that eyeliner. And this is the It Cosmetics mascara that I got in a Ipsy box. And I'm going to use a Becca highlight in Opal to get a little J-Lo glow going on. My best friend just walked in. Please excuse my faces. I don't know what we were talking about for me to make these faces. Okay, so I'm going in with a NARS color, and I will leave everything in the description box again. I don't have it in front of me, but I am just setting that LA Girl concealer that I use, and I am contouring my face. Cleaning my hands once again. Now I'm setting the face, and voila! Here we are. Here is the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, comment, and do me a favor and go ahead and click that subscribe